Only a few people on Earth will ever own something like this. Not because it is rare or difficult to build, but because it belongs to a level of freedom that most people never touch. A level where permission is irrelevant and limits are optional. Because this is not an RV and it was never designed to be one. And this is a Toyota 6x6 luxury motorhome, a moving fortress created for those who choose their own direction, standing silently at the edge of a mountain cliff at sunrise as fog rolls endlessly below and golden light slowly reveals every curve of its body. A moment where solitude feels powerful rather than lonely, where 6 massive wheels rest with absolute certainty, engineered not for attention but for dominance. Every line intentional, every surface reflecting confidence earned through precision, and when it enters the city at night, the same authority follows. Rain falling softly as neon lights glide across polished panels, wet streets turning into mirrors, skyscrapers surrounding it yet never overpowering it. Because real luxury does not compete, it exists. And as the city fades into the distance, this motorhome finally reaches its natural state, moving through dense forests where warm interior light spills gently into the trees, creating a sense of calm wealth rather than display. Crossing endless deserts where dust rises behind it, like a signature written on the land, pushing through frozen landscapes where silence stretches for miles and control matters more than comfort. Cruising along coastal cliffs where waves crash far below and the horizon feels infinite, proving that wherever roads hesitate, freedom continues. And stepping inside changes the rhythm completely, as automatic stairs lower and invite you into a space designed not for travel, but for living. Panoramic windows framing mountains, oceans, forests, and skies as private artwork that changes every morning. A living area shaped for stillness and clarity. Leather seating that supports rather than impresses. Ambient lighting carefully balanced to calm the mind. A kitchen alive with subtle motion where steam rises slowly from cookware and warm light reflects across marble and metal. Storage hidden with surgical precision so nothing distracts from the experience. A bathroom that feels more like a private hotel suite than a vehicle. Mirrors creating depth, lighting creating peace. Every detail engineered to remove friction from life. And as day turns into night, the master bedroom becomes a sanctuary on wheels, premium fabrics, perfect stitching, silence replacing noise, rest becoming intentional rather than accidental. Not camping, but complete ownership of comfort. A place where time slows down because you decide it should. And from the driver's seat, everything aligns into focus. Digital displays glowing softly, the steering wheel firm and reassuring, the road unfolding ahead with no urgency, no chaos, no compromise, just direction, intent, and control. The feeling that nothing outside this windshield can interrupt your pace. And as this motorhome finally pulls away into the distance under a fading sunset, dust rising slowly behind it, leaving the road exactly as it found it, it leaves more than tire tracks behind. It leaves a question, because this kind of life is not built for everyone. It is built for those who understand that true luxury was never about owning more things. It was never about price tags or attention or validation. True luxury has always been about silence when you want it, movement when you choose it, space when you need it, and freedom that answers to no one. Choosing your own horizon, setting your own pace, and living completely, deliberately, and unapologetically free.